Are you trying to change your age on Twitter but don't know how? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to change your age on Twitter in just a few simple steps. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Twitter mobile application and then tap on the profile picture icon at the top left corner of the screen. And then tap Profile. Once you are on your Twitter profile, tap the Edit Profile button over here. So now you'll see an option called Birth Date. Just tap on it. And it will show you this. This can only be changed a few times. Make sure you enter the age of the person using the account. Tap Continue. So now what you want to do next is tap over here and then change your date of birth. Once you've selected the date of birth, tap Continue. And then tap Save to save the changes. Once you've changed your birth date, it will also change your age on Twitter. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.